On this video today, I'm going to show you an extremely cheap traffic source that you can use to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is one of the simplest way that you can use to make money with affiliate marketing. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. Before we get into the details, let me refresh the page. So let me click on update so that you can see everything. As you can see, everything has been updated. You can see the figures are still the same. Now the first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. There are many of them, but in this case I'm using Digits224. Digits224 is available worldwide. Wherever you are in the world, you can sign up for an account. So once you sign up, you can enter any payment method that you want. If you want to receive your payment through bank transfer, you can enter it through PayPal, you can enter it check, Pioneer, any of the payment methods that you want, you can enter it so that anytime you get a sale, they'll pay you through that payment method. In my case, I have my accounts. You can see this is my account. So now once you have created your accounts and log in, the next step is that you have to click right here, marketplace. Once you click on it, you can be able to find offers that you can promote to make money. As you can see, these are offers that you can promote to make money from home. You can see a whole lot of different offers that you can promote to earn a commission anytime you get a sale. You can see a whole lot of them. If you want a specific category of offers, what you have to do is that you have to come right here. You can see categories. If you want digital products, click on digital products. Once you click on it, you can click on any of these categories so that you can find the available products that you can promote to earn a commission anytime you get a sale. So just go down and then click on any of the categories that you want. You can see there are many categories. You can see a whole lot of them. Just select the one that you want so that you can find the available offers. In this case, I already have an offer that I've been promoting, so I'm going to pick the offer and promote it. But you can select any kind of offer that you want. There's no restriction. You are allowed to promote any offer on this platform so far as you have an account. So just select any product that you want. In my case, I'm going to be promoting this offer right here, ProDentin. ProDentin is a supplement that helps people to maintain healthy gum and teeth. So if you promote it, you are going to get people who will purchase it to strengthen the health of their teeth. You can see the card conversion rate is high. The commission rate is also good, $131.50. You can see it right here. So now what you have to do is that you have to click on the offer so that you can be able to get your affiliate link and then promote it. Once you click on it, let me scroll upwards. You can see right here, copy promo link. Once you click on it, you can be able to get your affiliate link so that you can begin promoting the product. If you want, you can also click right here, sales page. Once you click on the sales page, you see the landing page so that you can get some basic information about the product. If you also need resources to promote the product, you can click right here, affiliate support page. Once you click on it, you get resources like images, articles, email swipes that you can use to promote the offer. In this case, I don't need any resources. I have my own way of promoting the product. The sales page, I've opened it several times, so I'm not going to open it again. But if you are new to the product, make sure you click on sales page so that you can be able to see the landing page of the product. If the landing page of the product is good, you are going to be getting many people to purchase the product for you to earn money. Now once you are able to get more information about the product, the next step is that you have to click right here, copy promo link. Once you click on it, you can get your unique affiliate link that you have to promote so that people can purchase the product through that unique link and you are going to be paid. There are a lot of different traffic sources that you can use to get people to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you an extremely cheap traffic source that you can use to get people to click on your link and then purchase the product so that you can be earning a commission. The traffic source that I'm going to show you, if you invest money, you are going to be earning a lot of profit. The cost per click is extremely low. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is noviclick.com. So just search for Noviclick. Once you search for it, you can see their website right here. Click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. Noviclick is a traffic network that allows you to advertise your affiliate link at a cheap cost. You can see this is the website. You can see the different things on the website. You can see everything. You can see the ad format that you can use to promote your affiliate link. They have pop under traffic, they have push notification traffic, they have in-page push traffic, and they have generated traffic. Any of the ad formats that you want, you can use to promote your affiliate link. And the best part is that the cost per click is extremely cheap. So even if you have a small budget, you can use this website to advertise your affiliate link and then earn profit. Now what you have to do is that you have to register for an account so that you can be able to advertise your affiliate link on the platform. So click right here, register. Once you click on it, you have to follow the prompt so that you can register for a free account. Once you register for an account and login, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, create campaign. You have to start creating your campaign. Once you click on it, you have to give a name to your campaign. So type any name that you want. Let's type the name of the product, Prodentum. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to select the ad format. You can see they have pop under and the rest. Select any of the ad format that you want. In this case, I'm going to select push traffic. Once you select the ad format, the next step is that you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see URL. This is where you are going to paste your affiliate link. So you have to go back on Teespring. Once you come back on Teespring, click right here, copy promo link. Once you click on it, your affiliate link has been copied. Come back on your ad and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you copy your affiliate link, the next step is that you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see categories and countries. You have to select the category of the offer that you are promoting and then the countries where you are targeting. So you can see right here, they have adult traffic and they have mainstream. In this case, the product that you are promoting is not about adult traffic. So deselect the adult and leave it with the mainstream. Once that is done, you have to scroll down. You can see countries. They have include and exclude. The countries that you are going to include are the countries that you are targeting. Those that you are going to exclude are the countries where you don't want traffic from. So in our case, we are going to select the tier 1 countries. The tier 1 countries are the countries where you are likely going to get a sale. The people who live in the tier 1 countries, they have the purchasing power to buy the product for you to make money. The tier 1 countries are United States, United Kingdom, Australia, New Zealand, Ireland and the rest. Those are the tier 1 countries where you can get people who have the purchasing power to buy the product. Those are the English speaking countries that you are going to be targeting. But if you are targeting other languages, you can choose countries like Germany, Netherlands and the rest. But in our case, the offer is in English, so we are going to select English-speaking tier 1 countries. So type the name of the country that you are targeting right here. If you also want to target worldwide, what you have to do is that you have to select global. But if you want specific country, you have to type the country right here. In our case, we are going to type United Kingdom. You can see it right here, United Kingdom. Click on it. Once that is done, you have to select United States. So click on it, you can see it right here. Once that is done, you have to select Canada. Canada is one of the tier 1 countries. So select Canada. Once that is done, select New Zealand. New Zealand, select it. Once that is done, you have to set for Australia. You can see it right here. Select it. As you can see, that has been done. Once you have selected the countries, the next step is that you have to scroll down. You can see the creative. You have to upload the image of the product that you are promoting. You have to also enter the title of your ad and the description. So just upload the image of the product that you are promoting. The product that you are promoting is Prodentum. So what you have to do is that you have to search for images of Prodentum. So come on Google. Once you come on Google, search for images of Prodentum so that you can find the images. You can see Prodentum images. Click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. Select images. Once you select images, you see a lot of different images of the product. You can see these are all images of the product that you can download and then use. So let's select this one right here. To download an image, right click on it and then select save image as. Once you select save image as, click on save so that the image can be saved onto your PC. Once that is done, you can download another image. So right click on any of the images that you want. Select save image as. Once that is done, click on save and the image has been saved. Now what you have to do is that you have to come back on your ad. Once you come back on your ad, click right here, upload icon image. Once you click on it, select your image, click on open. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to click right here, upload image. Once you click on it, select the second image and then click on open. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to type the title of your ad right here. So you can type the name of the product, or you can type any catchy title that you want. In this case, this is my title, Whiten Your Teeth Naturally. Now once that is done, you have to write a description. So you can just type anything about the product. As you can see, this is my short description. Prodentum helps to maintain good teeth. Just a simple description like this. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see special targeting. If you want to target certain devices, you can do that. In this case, we are not going to target any specific device. We are targeting all devices. Once that is done, you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see operating system. If you want to target an operating system like Apple iOS, Android, or any operating system, you can click right here and then select that. But in this case, we are targeting all operating system. Once that is done, the browsers, if you want to target any kind of browser, you can do that. But in this case, we are targeting all browsers. You can see mobile carriers, we are targeting all mobile carriers, so just leave everything. Once that is done, you have to scroll down. You can see subscribers page. Just ignore all of this. Once that is done, scroll down. You can see the buy. This is the most important aspect. So you can see the pricing model. They have CPC. When you click on it, you can see they have smart CPC. You can see smart CPA. In this case, we are going to select CPC, cost per click. How much are we going to be paying per every click that we get? You can see this is the top byte, and you can see this is the average byte. In this case, we are going to select the average byte. So let's enter the average byte. So let's enter 0.1995. Let's enter this amount. You can see this is the one we have selected, the average byte and the rest. Just leave it like this. It is okay. So anytime people click on our link, this is the amount that we are going to be paying per every click. If you want, you can even increase it to 20 cents. Let's increase it to 20 cents. Let's increase it to 20 cents. So anytime people click on our link, this is the amount that we are going to be paying. So assume you are able to get 100 clicks, you are going to be paying $20. So as you can see, this is the cost per click. That means this is the amount that we are going to be paying per every click that we get. So assume you are able to get 100 clicks, you are going to be paying $20. So when you look at the commission rate, we are going to be earning $131.50 per every sale that we get. So if you are able to get one sale per 100 clicks, we can be making a profit of $111.50. If you are able to get 2 sales per 100 clicks, you are going to be earning $223. If you are able to get 3 sales per 100 clicks, you are going to be earning $334.50. So that is a lot of profit. It is worth it when you are paying 20 cents per every click. Now once you have entered the cost per click, you can enter the daily byte. How much are you willing to spend per day? So you can enter the amount right here. Assume you want $20, you can enter it right here. You can see total budget. How much are you willing to spend in total on your ad? So let's say we are going to test $100. You can enter $100 right here. Now once that is done, the next step is that you have to scroll down. You can schedule your campaign. So assume you don't want your campaign to run on certain days of the week or certain times of the day, you can do that. For example, if you don't want your ad to run on Monday 8 o'clock, you can deselect it right here. If you don't want your ad to run at 2 o'clock on Sunday, you can deselect it right here. But in this case, I'm not going to target any time, so just leave it. Once that is done, you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, if you have any traffic source that you want to blacklist, you can enter the URL of the website that you want to blacklist right here. In this case, we don't have anything like that, so just scroll down. Once you scroll down, just ignore all of this. Once that is done, you have to click right here. I declare and guarantee that my campaign meets the quality guidelines. So let's check the box. Once that is done, click right here, create campaign. Once you click on create campaign, you can see your campaign is pending approval, so they will approve it. Once it is approved, your ad is going to be running and you are going to be getting cheap traffic to your affiliate link. But before your ad runs, what you have to do is that you have to deposit money into your account so that they can spend it on your ad. To deposit money, click right here, find your account. Once you click on it, you can deposit money using all these methods of payment. So you can select a currency, you can select dollars, you can select euros. It depends on any of the currencies that you want. Once that is done, you can see the payment methods that you can use to deposit money into your account. You can see for PayPal, you have to ask the administrator so that they can help you deposit. You can see bank transfer. You have to ask the administrator so that they can help you to deposit. You can see they have wire transfer. You can see Capitalist. This one right here, you can see BitPay. So any of the payment methods that you want, you can select it. And you can see the minimum amount that you can deposit into your account. The minimum amount that you can deposit is $50. So you can enter $50 right here. Just enter $50. Once you enter the $50, select your method of payment. Click right here, I agree with the terms and conditions. Once that is done, you have to scroll down, click right here, proceed with payment. Once you click on it, you can be able to deposit the money into your accounts so that they can spend it on your ad, and you are going to be getting clicks. The clicks are going to convert to sales, and you are going to be earning affiliate commission on Digits 2024. So make sure you go and take action so that you can be making money with this method. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.